Welcome to UVL. Introducing the Bactericidal UltraViolet lamp designed for use in UFC Pool Manager 40 water disinfection units, manufactured by VanErp. It is suitable for use in a water environment in a protective quartz sheath at temperatures between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius. It is an ozone-free, low-pressure mercury ultraviolet lamp. We produce it under the label G40. The length of the lamp is 843 meter. The diameter of the plinth is 19 millimeters. The diameter of the tube is 15 millimeter. Kit base 4P. Lamp power 40W. The power of ultraviolet radiation is 16W. The lamp current is 0.425 A. All of our bulbs are packaged in cardboard tubes with a soft seal inside for extra bulb security. The lamps are also warranted for 9,000 hours or 1 year from the date of sale. In case of premature failure or damage during transportation, we guarantee a replacement lamp and delivery to your address at our own expense. You can order this lamp and other ultraviolet equipment on our website by clicking on the link in the description.